The United States is recruiting 2 chemists to make a successful airbag. The people are Dolores and Cher. Don't let us down, soldiers.
The task of this mission is to launch an egg down this tube where it can safely land without cracking.
So hearing that the concept of this project was an egg drop airbag, the first thing that we thought about was making an airbag full of gas.
Making gas became a hard concept to figure out because we realized how easy it was to create a gas that could possibly poison us.
After doing some research, we came to the conclusion that we can make hydrogen gas by mixing hydrochloric acid and zinc together.
Making this by reacting muriatic acid, which contains hydrochloric, and cutting open 1982 pennies because it contains 97% zinc.
On our first workday, we reacted hydrochloric acid and a penny to test and see if a penny can actually create hydrogen gas. As we can see, the penny started to bubble up when reacting to the hydrochloric acid. And after a while, the bubbles had created some gas inside this little type of bag. Here's footage of the first trial with the penny. It did not go well. However, this did not stop us. We still continued to go on. On our next trial run, we have figured that the more pennies that are cut up with zinc, the better, because each penny is only half a penny, so the more pennies we have, the more zinc we have in order to create a faster reaction. In result, like the first trial, the penny started to bubble up again and created more gas at a faster rate. As we can see, the egg hit the center of the airbag. However, the gas inside could still not fill up the whole bag, which led it to break. During this process, we realized that pennies became our limiting reactant because we couldn't find that much 1982 pennies, and it has to be 1982 because only 1982 pennies contains 97% of actual zinc. This equation is as follows. So we calculated the limiting reactant by first starting how much liters was in the Ziploc bag, which is 3.785 liters, which, doing the equation from step to step, 22.4 liters connecting mole over mole, and the zinc's mass 65.38, we got the number 11.047, which is the grams we needed. With that being said, we opted for something a bit more pricey. However, it gave us the grams we needed. However, we realized that this type of zinc created a long time for it to finally blow and inflate. But at least it started to bubble. As you can see, the bag started inflating and gas could be shown.
Yeah, it's ready.
And the egg cracked. Here we have the Ziploc bag scrunched up, separating two sides, which is easier for us because we only have two reactants. Then we placed a rubber band in the middle of the Ziploc bag. Thus, because of this, we have two equally portioned sides that can both open up and it won't interact because of the middle. Here's one side, and here's the other side. late to say the video was accidentally deleted and there is no way of getting it back. However, here is what happened to the egg. It cracked badly.
If you were to do something different to the project, what would you do and why?
We would choose to change the reactant because the foamy and slimy texture seemed more safe for the egg. And why not?
So, unfortunately, our egg had dropped on contact and cracked. The reason why, because this was, well, after looking at the bag again, we concluded that because the zinc is actually metal inside the bag, it took like a while for it to dissolve, and when the egg hit the bag, it probably hit the metal as well and cracked more because of that impact. And it also took a while for the zinc metal in itself to dissolve in order to create gas. So there wasn't that much gas like protecting the metal and protecting the egg at the same time. Oh well.
Overall, we realized that we were too stuck on making a gas. However, if the opportunity had came again, we would probably do things more better. Thanks for watching!